Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix sorry this page isn't available on Instagram. So if you are facing the same issue, what you have to do is you just have to open the App Store or Play Store depending on your device, and then in the search bar you just have to search for Instagram, and then you just have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. If there is any update, just make sure to update. Like I have this update, so just make sure to update it to the latest version. And after updating, what you have to do is you just have to tap and hold on this Instagram application like this, and then you just have to tap on this app info, and now you will see this page and go for this storage and cache, and just tap on this clear cache. Don't clear the storage, and now go back, and now you just have to clear the all recent applications like this. And then after doing all these processes, if you open the Instagram application, and your problem will be solved and your Instagram will run smoothly now. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.